What color is your aura? Today, I'm trying Shimmery Pastels from Colourpop. Hello beautiful people, welcome to Fabulous Life 101. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right now. What color is your aura? Today, I'm going to be playing with the Aura and Out palette from Colourpop using Shimmery Pastels. I already have some primer on my eyelid, so I'm going in first covering the base with this called You Are a Vision. I found this palette on sale over the holidays, so decided to give it a try as I've loved everything I've done from Colourpop so far. I think I'm going on the inner corner of my eye with this white Young Love. And just start from the inner corner and work in a little bit. And now I'm going from the outer corner towards the center with Solar Hour. This is one of the few matte colors in this palette. Sort of a rich, creamy butterscotch. Now I think I'm going to highlight it all with this called New Age, this beautiful metallic shimmery light blue. And I'm just going in sort of along the crease and then sort of working my way down. So tapping along the crease and then working my way down. I think the final touch will be take this little brush, and this is just like a really sparkly white snow color, and I'm going to just take some of that and go over a little bit just to add a little extra shimmer. That really gives it an extra dimension, doesn't it? To play with a few more colors, let's try it. Let's try Soul Sister down here. And I think I'll take that and just go along the outer edges. And maybe I'll take You Are a Vision and just go in the upper part, right above the crease. And let's just try it like here. Okay, so what I have basically is sort of a montage of shimmers and pastels. Kind of makes you wish for an early spring, doesn't it? Let me go ahead and put on my mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, my mascara's done. And this is just my nice little shimmery look for today. This palette, Aura and Out by Colourpop. It's on sale on the Colourpop website, and I think a lot of Ulta stores still have it as well. This is a fun little palette if you just want to go for a shimmery look, whether you want to blend the way I did or whether you want to pick one particular tone. You can just go in with one color only, or you can do the whole shebang like I did. I'm glad I bought this. It's a nice fun palette. It's a compact size, great to travel with, has its built-in mirror. Aura and Out from Colourpop. Do you have a palette or makeup brand or makeup idea that you'd like for me to try? If so, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.